did show you guys a sneak peek of my list for today. The weekends, I usually like to take it easy. Saturdays, I can focus on my own thing. I like to focus on my personal business and then the family and home. Right now, I'm still on the content creation planning for the week. And what I've done was I went off of a video that Justine's camera roll posted, a short video about how to do the planning. So I've started my planning phase for content for this upcoming week. Now I'm sitting here using this weekly planner that my best friend got me. It has a weekly focus, top priorities, a to-do list, the days of the week. It even has a section for next week, which is great because I typically like to start planning ahead like that. It has a habit tracker down here. And I think this is to bubble in the habits once you complete them each day. And then a small note section here. So thank you, best friend. I'm opening up this so that I can start writing out things. Just because it helps my brain unclutter a little bit. Only thing about this planner is it starts off on Mondays, and mentally my week starts on Sundays. But I'm just gonna go by this week and make Sunday be my wrap up, I guess. I don't know, I'll learn how to use this. So this will be, this is 10/19. So I'm just gonna fill this in. Jeez. Okay, now to smooth them.
I need some cereal so I can be exercising.
Awesome. Did you eat it already?
Yes, I am.
Now that I put on some eyebrows and a little lip stump thing, I wrote out an outline for my clips that I want to record for my the homecoming week vlog that's going to be live next week. So I'm going to sit in this spot and do the recording of those clips now. Homecoming week has finally wrapped up, you guys. It was so special, from her senior poster board being made to the games, the parades, the dress reveal at home, to her and her team being featured on NBC and the Today Show. It has been a completely memorable experience, and I just wanted to take you guys along for every moment of that. Oh, thank you, Boo. Here you go. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. For the intro, content planning, meal planning, grocery shop. This is all together. Okay.
Oh,
you know what? I need to go through your clothes. Oh, I'm always adding stuff to my to-dos for the day. You might be able to understand if you don't like chaotic stuff. Like, look at her shirts. All of them. It's just so messy. And I think that now she needs more like big girl clothes and like warm clothes in her closet. So I'm gonna, it's 12:14. I've been able to do all the things I have to do for myself, which I'm so happy about. But now I'm gonna focus on my family and home stuff. So I'm gonna give myself 30 minutes. I don't think I need 30 minutes though, to go through all her clothes in her closet and then pick her out an outfit for today. I mentioned it's gonna be 72. I really wore this for the video and for the morning time at home because I'm still cold. But when we go outside for the 45-minute walk, I'll change. Maybe. We'll see. when you spilled it.
Oh, and then we're right there. And right there. Oh, and right there. I'm cold.
Get dressed. That's why you're. This is actually small then, but you just kept it because you needed something to get home. Laughing. Oh, this is so cute. I think this is for this season. Size. So it's 12:34, which means I have 11 minutes left. I've done the closet section, got her long pants here. Sorry, it's not focusing. Long pants, PJs, short sleeve shirts, and her long sleeve shirts and sweaters she could wear. I've also gone through the bins and put her, these are a bag of shoes, like flip-flops and sandals. I still like to keep them because if we have a trip to Florida, she could use this stuff down there in this season still. And Florida comes up for us quite a bit, so I hold on to like summer clothes for a little longer than I used to now. But I realized she had a whole bunch of socks in there, so now I'm going through this pile of socks. I have 10 minutes, and I'm trying not to add more stuff to my to-do list, even though this needed to happen. So I'm glad I did this. Okay, let me get started.
Mommy, did you hear me? I was counting to 100. Whoa, I have a yacht of socks.
I know.
These match. Mommy, these are short.
Okay, we'll match them up. They too short, you think?
Yes, these are like the baby size.
Oh, put them over there. Put them on that pile over there. Close.
I think that's it.
These are short.
These kind of fit me.
They do fit. This is the match.
Oh. Yeah. Christmas Day.
You're talking about Christmas Day with a pumpkin beside you. So I realized she needs long socks, pants for school, tights, boots, and leggings. Those things for this season. And your coat still fits, so you don't need a coat. I found your hats. I think I'm sitting on it. She has 2 hats. Actually, you should try these on to see if they still fit you.
Okay.
This one might be small.
I like that one.
Here, try it on. It's sideways, but it fits. And this is why I go through everything before I shop. I found 2 more pair of the skin tone tights in the closet for her. So I actually don't have to buy these, but I do want her to have like a thicker pair. Keep going, boo. A thicker pair because it's pretty cold here. And sometimes she likes to wear skirts. So yeah, but she does have 2. So that's good to know. Mm-hmm.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, picture feeling. Ooh. If you want to be so kind. 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 Ooh, ooh, ooh. If you want to be kind, if you want to be kind, if you want to be sad, don't be sad. If you want to be kind, 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 then you have to be so kind.
Sometimes,
What are you saying?
sometimes I mix my words up.
Post that on YouTube. A burger and a week.
I think it's in my video. He has a book. Ooh, hot.
Mom, can I eat my waffles and
I'm gonna do my typical thing. Those are cool. They're lobsters, man. It's a trap. Chicken drumsticks. There's only enough beef. It was on a Saturday. It's easier. Oh, looks like
she's gonna eat it to start off.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Would you make one of those? You made your own.
Yes.
So you use your own imagination to make your own. Huh? Oh, I thought it said close my eyes. Like this one?
Yes. But the nose is correct and the eyes are correct.
But the teeth are different.
Yes. But the smile is off the pieces and then right there. This is, I don't know what to do with this one. Let's put it here.
So,
thank you.
Want some mango?
huh?
No,
There's no mango left, Coffee.
he'll find
It's
what
in
you
the can.
Chicken soup in a can.
Chicken soup.
I took out pineapple juice too. Here is $91.94, but then I see this here that says I can redeem 800 points and get $8 off, so I'm gonna use that today. And then there we go. I'm gonna check out. Go get it. So I'm finished my meal planning. I shopped at 2 stores and did a pickup this time. I spent $109, and then I spent $32. Jill, how much did I spend?
You said you
109,
spent- How much?
109,
Okay.
and 32.
109 and 32.
Yes.
So if you had 109, that would turn to 111. Then
Why?
109
Why is it gonna be 111?
plus 2.
Why are you adding 2?
Because, what did you say?
Oh, it's because I said 32.
Oh,
Oh.
109 plus 32. So then that would be 11
Say something smart.
plus
Okay.
30. 11 plus 30 is 44. I mean, 41. Great.
So he said it's $141. 32 plus 9.
Is 11.
30,
Wait.
it's 41.
32
My
plus
1 plus
9?
1 is 2.
Mm-hmm.
2 plus
So, oops.
1.
2 plus 2.
So you're right. Altogether,
One,
that's how much I
two,
spent. Which means I went over budget
4.
because my budget is supposed to be
4 plus 4
$125.
equals
But I
1,
did mention
2,
raising
3,
my budget to 150 for
5, 6,
each
7,
week.
8.
So I guess it's not too bad. What, Jill? You want to say something? Peace. You want to put your hand there?
Can
Down here. Can I see your face?
Thank you so much. You guys.
Godzilla had enough and was going to destroy the world because he